Next in Python, we are going to take user-defined list. So for that, we are taking a variable user underscore input equals to input enter numbers. So whenever we take input with this input function, it is going to be in the form of a string. For example, if user enters 10, 20, 30. So yeah, if user enters 10, 20, 30, it is going to be like a single list. 10, 20 and 30. Now we have to split this list into list of string. So for that, here I am taking one more variable parts equals to, now our list is in user input, user underscore input dot split. It is going to split this into a list of strings. So it is going to be like this: 10, comma 20, and within this 30. Now it is our list of strings. Now I'm taking one more variable whose name is num underscore list, and it is of type list. Now it is going to hold list. Now we'll go for loop for one more variable we are taking is item, for item in. Now it is in our parts colon. Now num list, num underscore list dot append within bracket integer. We have to convert. Here we can see that each and every item is a list. This is a list, this is a list, and this is a list. Now we have to convert each of these. Each and every item is a string. This is a string, this is a string, and this is also a string. Now we have to convert these into integer. So we put integer here, and it is in our item. So this way we are converting each string into this list into integer, that is a number. And in the end we can print our list. Print our list is in each and every list item is getting appended in this num list. So num underscore list. Save it and run it. So here it is asking enter numbers, and here I am giving 20 space 30 space 40. So it has printed our list. So this way we can take input of list from user. Now if we don't want to go for these number of steps, then we can do this thing in a single step. So here I am commenting all these parts. What we can do here is, here we have taken input enter numbers, and here I am taking num underscore list equals to, we have to convert it to list simple bracket map again bracket int comma user underscore input and dot split. It is doing same thing. Now here we have taken our string in user input, so it is splitting that list into a list of strings. So here with this we are going to get this. Now integer is converting whatever we get here to integer, and map is applying uh, each and every item of list integer, or we can say that map is applying integer to each and every item of our list. And in the last, in the end, we have list, which is converting our result from map to list. So here we can save it and run it. Enter numbers. Here I'm giving 30, 40 and 50. So here we can see that it is we have got our list.